पहला पोएम है द सोल्जर। द सोल्जर हैज़ been written by Rupert Brooke. He wrote many poems. This is one of them. It is a patriotic poem. In this poem, the poet talk about an English soldier. An English soldier fighting in a foreign country. Life is uncertain on the battlefield. The soldier says that if he dies in a foreign country, he will be buried there because he was born and brought up in this country. He got there the road, the flowers, the English air, river, and sun rays. He wants a peaceful country where there would not be war between two countries. According to him, England is just like heaven. At least he loved his country very much. दूसरा पोएम है ग्रैंड मदर हाउस। माई ग्रैंड मदर हाउस इज एन ऑटोबायोग्राफिकल पोएम बाय कमला दास। शी डिस्क्राइब्स द pitiable condition of her grandmother house and her own life. Her grandmother is no more. She finds herself alone. She remembers her past when she visits her old house. The present condition of the house is fearful. The poets want to take from this place an armful of darkness at her house where she used to live. She wants to put this darkness safely in her bedroom forever to recollect the memory of the past. Summary नंबर 3 है Song of Myself. The poem Song of Myself has been composed by Walt Whitman. He was the most individualistic literary figure that America has ever produced. He tells about himself in this poem. The poet enjoys himself and sings for the self, but he is not different from others. He tells himself that every atom of his blood belongs to his soul. He always assumes everything which is right. He also says that every atom of blood is the same in all human beings. He wonders with his pain which grows when a spike comes and touches the skin. चौथा समरी है Ode to Autumn. Ode to Autumn is a very remarkable poem which has been composed by the great romantic poet John Keats. The poet John Keats is a great lover of nature. Here in this poem, the poet John Keats describes the beauty and characteristic spirit of autumn in a series of memorable pictures. The sun and summer help in the ripeness of fruits in autumn. There is neither heat of summer and nor bitter cold of winter. The rays of the sun make fruit juicy, fleshy, and tasty. Nature looks beautiful everywhere. The wind blows friendly and bird sings in a very fine-tuned. People are fine and gay in this pleasant season. Nature remains calm and cool in this pleasant season. So, the poet John Keats means to say that autumn is a very remarkable poem. This pleasant season makes a man too happy. पांचवा समरी है फायर हैमन. Fire Hyman is written by Keki and Daruwala. In this poem, the poet describes the scene of a burning heart. One day, when the speaker was a child, he and his father passed by a burning heart near the river bank. The fire had died out. The embers had lost their hot redness and were now covered with grey ash. There were half-burnt limbs and fingers of a body. The narrator's father pointed out that sometimes fire was negligent. It forgets to burn the dead completely. The speaker was pained. He decided to save the fire from the scene of forgetfulness. 20 years later, the narrator's eldest child died. He consigned his body to fire and saw that the fire burnt it completely. The fireman forgave his non-party act because it appeared that he had done so under compulsion and not willingly. The Tower of Peace was 1,000 miles from there. The narrator felt his purpose was defeated. He took a vow to save the fire.